This is the Tsuen Falls. Here, you see? This is really first time arrive here. I'm alone to come here. This is only the simple falls in Tsuen. So now here, this side, just arrived. Now the stone is too big. Yes, very big stone, and since the water is it's not good smell. Yeah, I think it's not a good water. Yes, you see, they are going up and up to taking but swimming here. For me, this is not clean, very dirty, this types of pools. So this one, and all here, I believe all Filipina bring the garbage in here. See, they do not know how to clean the environment to help save the nature. Oh my God. Yes. And they make a house, small house. Yes. Until you can reach this building. And I've been here. I think the stone is really big. I don't know how to go at the side. Our Filipino here is they are making a small house like that one. They are make a tent to make eating. I'll stay there in eating. Yes. And you see that one? But this stone is all big. And that one is garbage also. I did not know how to save the nature. May mga kababayan, dapat po, pag mayroon po tayong mga basura, kailangan po itapon po natin sa basurahan. Huwag pong tamad. Kasi po, nakikinabang tayo dito sa nature nila. Kaya kailangan po, pag may basura kayo, itapon nyo sa tama pong lugar. Sa basurahan. Ay, gusto mga kabayan ko. Yes, you come here. And I took the photo here. So see here. Yes. Yes, in the top there. Going down. The other is going swimming here. You see there? That one, too much bottle of water. Just leave it there. All the garbage. This way. Yes, okay. Until my video here. Thank you and see you later again. Going to issue false guys are from MTR Tsuen exit A4, then from exit A4 direct to come here at this way. Yes, then did end of this building, then try to continue to find the dead end Karatula daw. And can see go to the falls. Then later we see how I continue walking. I don't know how many minutes to go there. Just for exercise. I just asked these Filipino people here, just asking few minutes. I arrived for them. So thank you later.